Hi, this is David from Smartworld. We're here on a BYD Sealion 8. And this is all for the new models that have two USB-C ports here. So for two USB-C ports, and if you want to enable multimedia, Netflix, YouTube, Disney, and everything else, we recommend the App2Car WS for BYD for wireless CarPlay cars. This is a special device created for BYD for wireless CarPlay connection, and connecting with the device will enable you to download and install any apps. And it's very easy to use. You just need to plug in this device in a USB power point. Could be on the back or could be on the front. I'm just gonna put it on the front. So on the USB port on the side, because the one on the side is only for power. So once you plug it in, what you need to do is add your phone like any other mobile phone. So you just simply go into Bluetooth and add the new device, which in this case is a Smartworld. Once you have added the device, in this case it's going to connect automatically because I already connected the BYD with my phone, with the car. It's gonna start enabling, and Bluetooth is connected, and you're gonna have Smartworld here as well as a new device, and it's gonna start connecting. It's gonna bring you a new screen with all the capabilities for Apple CarPlay. So what you're gonna do is just simply, it's gonna start enabling in seconds, and you're gonna see the new screen of Smartworld coming up on the screen on the BYD. And from here, you're ready. So if you wanna stream music, you have two ways. You can put a SIM card on the device, but also you can turn on your hotspot on your mobile phone, and you go into settings, and you go into Wi-Fi, and you connect to your mobile phone hotspot. Right now it's already connected, so I don't need to do anything. And once you're here, you simply go to YouTube, and you can see it's very responsive, very fast, and you start watching whatever you want to watch, and the quality is amazing.
Childhood immunization is a safe, free, and effective way to protect your kids
a big
from
screen.
serious diseases. Talk to your health professional and get the information you need. Authorised by the Australian Government, Canberra.
And there we go. Well, you have all the ads, etc., etc. So I'm going to show you how YouTube looks like. So just going to home screen, and I'm going to show you Netflix now. So Netflix, here we go, Netflix. And so with Netflix, same thing. Sorry, it's a little bit of sun here. And we're just gonna, I'm trying to see where's the best spot so it's not blurry. So we're gonna watch a little bit of Minecraft movie.
It won't feel like this.
I want to make sure that you can see
There
the
you got
quality
constraints,
of
judgments,
the video.
obstacles.
Yeah, I know. But
It's amazing. The quality is amazing. It's like watching on your TV.
I like that. You're a brave kid.
There we go.
Steve.
So this is how easy it is to use the App2Car WS for BYD. So if your BYD has two USB ports type C, like the new models like the BYD Sealion 8, please get the BYD WS for BYD and pair it. Is very easy, like a mobile phone, and you're gonna be ready and watching movies on your car in no time. And if you want to find more solutions for BYD, just go to smartworldcompany.com, smartworldcompany.com.au.